Now it's good to go over to you. You can start now.
So good evening, everyone. I, Deepak Srivastava, welcome you to all the learning session organized by PSI, the Public Speaking Institute community, with a vision to bring eminent speakers from different fields who can add value to your life by sharing their experiences and knowledge and situations they have been through using the power of communication. I'll request everyone to follow the rules. First is please maintain the decorum of the forum. And second, keep your question and answers ready for the Q&A session at the end. Please do not interrupt in between. Now, before we proceed further, I would like to thank Author Sherry, who's on your screen at the moment. He is founder and managing director, Public Speaking Institute community of around 2.5 lakh public speakers across the globe, and is on a mission to create 1 million speakers by 2030. He is a well-known public speaking coach and mentor and has created 15,000 plus public speakers and is giving India its very own first public speaking university. He is onto it. He is also founder and president MS Talks India, a public speaking platform which is given to 20,000 plus speakers across the globe and is working. In addition to this, he is 7 times international TEDx speaker, 3 times Joe Talk speaker, and author of international best-selling books. I would like to also add that he is a family of generations of authors. He is 4 generations of authors, where his dad, his wife, his daughter, all are public authors and are filled for Limca Book of Records. May we have a round of applause for Author Sherry, sir.
Thank you, Deepak. Thank you. Thank you for this wonderful introduction. And I request you to please make people co-host, because I think there's a lot of disturbance going on. Smita, let's go on mute. Smita Kadam. I think you are in the kitchen and you're cooking.
If you can make me co-host, I'll take care of that disturbance.
Yeah, please make Gaurav the co-host.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take care of that. Thank you. Please carry on.
Thanks, Gaurav. Thanks, Deepak.
Now, okay, Gaurav sir. So, coming on to today's session, I would like to say that as we progress in life, we develop a habit of postponement, and this delaying is termed as procrastination. Today, we have amongst us a very passionate and obsessed professional speaker with motto, choice, chance, and change. He has won many accolades during his Toastmasters journey. Today, he is a well-known among individuals and corporates for motivating through his speaking skills and visual storytelling. He is impacting lives by motivating people to take next step to their dream fulfillment. With an experience of over 15 years across different various industry verticals, which includes retail, FMCG, timeshare, and BPO, he has won hearts with his communication, high energy, and passionate message to motivate and engage you to challenge yourself. Please join me to welcome Kumar Achantaji to enlighten us on the topic of the eve, procrastination. Welcome, sir.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you so much for the Deepak and Author Sherry for having me for this session. So before we start, I just have a few guidelines. If you really want an amazing session, please mute yourselves and let's not have any disturbance in the back end, so that you might get disturbed, but others will also get disturbed. Second thing is, you have a chat box there, right? So I want each one of you to participate, because I might be asking certain questions in between. And please participate 100%. Will you promise this? Raise your hand if you promise this. Do you promise that you're going to participate 100% and put your answers in the chat box? Okay. And I would really like to thank this technology called Zoom and the internet. Imagine people sitting in various places across the globe, and we are able to connect. I see my friend from Chennai, author Sherry is from Delhi, I am from Hyderabad. This is amazing thing, guys, and I'm sure there are some probably people from other countries as well. So thank you internet, and thank you Zoom for getting us much more closer, right? And have a pen and a book handy. There might be something, guys. See, but when it comes to professional speaking or learning or coaching, there might be some golden nuggets which might transform you completely. It might be a paradigm shift totally, whatever the speaker says, because it happened to me many times. Just one sentence of that speaker has changed the way I look at life and live life. That can happen, okay? Ideally, my talk is for everyone. At the same time, it might not be for everyone, right? So it depends upon you on how you take it. So have a book and a pen handy. And I will also probably, recording will be shared probably with the community later. So thank you so much for having me here. So before I start, I have a question to ask each one of you. What is the wealthiest place on planet Earth? Please type in your chat box. What is the wealthiest place on this planet Earth? Wealthiest place on this planet Earth. Please type in. Shraddha says Dubai. Gaurav Jain says home. Fantastic. Harish says village. Smita Kadam says graveyard. Whoa, that's interesting. Okay. Bank. Aditya says bank. That's interesting. Yeah. Earth. Author Shari says earth. Okay. Anybody else, please, you promised me that you're going to participate, okay? I need you to type in answers, and that's how you're going to enjoy this session, by participation. All right, the wealthiest place on earth, as Bharat Bhatt and Smita said, it's a graveyard, it's a cemetery. Let me tell you the reason. There are so many people who are already dead and buried. They wanted to do something in life. They wanted to become an author. They wanted to become a speaker. They wanted to become a musician or a guitar player. They wanted to be a cricket player. They wanted to do so many things that they wanted to, but they just kept delaying by some other reason. The most wealthiest place, which nobody has discovered, is the graveyard, guys. Is a cemetery. People have died because of not taking action, even though they had the abilities. How many of you agree? Type agree in the chat box if you agree. Type agree in the chat box, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jitendra, Harish, Kara, Shraddha. Thank you so much for agreeing to it. Yes, the most wealthiest place on this planet Earth is the cemetery, because people have never took that first step, and they never did anything for themselves or others. So if you are not taking action towards your dreams, you're actually doing disservice to your life. I repeat myself, if you're not taking any actions towards your life and towards your dreams, you're doing disservice to your life. Ladies and gentlemen, life is a gift from God. Life is a gift. Get this straight. Life is a gift from God. The way you live your life is your gift to God. The way you live your life is your gift to God. Okay, so live life fully and die empty. Live your life fully and just die empty. That's very important. Okay. Now, according to you, what do you mean by procrastination? Please share your answers in the chat box. What is the definition that you arrive at? Whatever it could be. It need not be a dictionary meaning as such. But what do you mean by procrastination? Could you please type in your answers, ladies and gentlemen? Delaying actions, holding work for the last moment. Jitendra says. Gaurav says postponing the task. Harish postponing. Author Shari says imbalance of goal and courage. Yep. Vipul Gupta says excuse. Bharat Bhatt says delaying. Absolutely. Any more answers? Please type in your chat box. What do you think procrastination, delaying to take action? Yes, Shraddha, absolutely. And let me start sharing my screen and show you how you can become an action taker and what are the reasons that you fell in love with procrastination. Kitna acha lagta hai na postpone karna. I'll tell you the human psychology and what makes them not do things, or not take action, right? So let me quickly share the screen. Okay, let me know if you're able to see the screen. Yes, because I'm not able to see the chat. Okay, let me quickly click the chat. Okay. Smita Kadam says, distracting. Hemant says, want to do the task but delayed due to multitasking. Absolutely, absolutely. Are you all able to see the screen, guys? Right? And we have already discussed what is procrastination. I mean, in the beginning of the session, the rules, how do you want to do it and all. So let's understand what is the actual definition, which I think I have read so many books. The act or habit of putting off or delaying, especially something which requires immediate attention. This is the definition of procrastination, the act or habit of putting off or delaying, especially something which requires immediate attention. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what kind of people procrastinate, do you think? I mean, is it everybody? Let's see. It differs from actually person to person. Students might procrastinate, professionals might procrastinate, employees, athletes, authors, speakers, business people, and so many people procrastinate, right? There's no category as such saying only these people procrastinate, right? Everybody procrastinate and everybody postpones things, okay? The next thing is, I want you to share in the chat box, what is that one task you procrastinated and you still feel for it? अभी भी आपको बहुत बुरा लगता है, यार मैंने वो काम क्यों नहीं किया? What is that one important thing? It could be anything, guys. It could be anything. Please be open in sharing. And you promised me that you're going to participate 100%. Losing the weight. Absolutely, Author Shari. I was one among them. Yes, absolutely. Please share. Creating a short movie. Jitendra says, early. Vipul Gupta. Absolutely. What is that one thing you still feel for it? I need more and more answers. I need participation, making video for motivation, waking up early, and what else? Morning walks, Gaurav Jain says. Aditya says to go on a trip before Corona. Ishpreet says public speaking. Kera, morning walk. Absolutely, ladies and gentlemen, these are the things which you could have done it. Once you would have taken decision, but you're postponing it. So let's understand what are the negative effects of procrastination, right? I wanted to share some reasons of negative effects of procrastination in the chat box. I will take a look at it. What are the negative effects? Bharat Bhatt says joining TI, Toastmasters International probably. Richu says early morning exercise. So I wanted to share some negative effects. Negative effects क्या होता है आपके लाइफ में जब आपने जो करना चाहते थे वो नहीं कर रहे हो? Negative feelings, correct. Absolutely, Author Shari. Anger and frustration. खुद पे नाराजगी होती है. We don't like ourselves. यार मैंने promise किया था. That next month, from 1st of the month, I am going to start walking. People will not do it. Lose control of yourself. Laziness. Absolutely, Harish, you're right. Delays, poor character, loss of business. Absolutely. Some will complete your project and use your idea. मेरे साथ हुआ है, Jitendra. Absolutely right. Amazing. I mean, Author Shari, I love the community. I love the community and the participation. Fantastic. Yes, loss of business. These are some of the reasons that can happen. The negative effects of procrastination. Okay, procrastination can lead to what? Let's see. Now we have actually seen what can it. What kind of people do it. कितने लोगों को आप लग रहा है कि यार एक हफ्ता पहले मैंने शायद वो एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ लिया होता? Please say yes in the chat box. Please say yes in the chat box. When you were in school, when you were in college, when you were engineering, yaar, just 5 days before I should have read it, that exam subject to get good grades. Did it happen? Anika, Nelson, Shraddha, absolutely. Type in yes if you were part of it. एक दिन पहले we try to burn our midnight oil, right? यार कल exam है, and we just sit and try and mug up everything and go and exam. Absolutely, Suresh. We do that. This is procrastination can lead to bad grades and at the same time poor job performance. Job का performance भी अच्छा नहीं होता because you want to learn something new, programming, or it could be a language, it could be whatever it is. You kept procrastinating और दूसरे लोगों को promotion मिलता गया, right? Have you noticed it? Did it happen in your life? Type in yes if it happened. You wanted to learn that new language or a new system and all. Yes, Gurpreet, thank you so much for sharing, Dr. Gurpreet. Financial problems ho jate hain, yaar. I mean, procrastination can lead to financial problems because we did not take decision at the right time, probably to invest in that, probably in the share market, or somebody came to us selling that land, that 100 square yards, 200, whatever it is, that property, but we delayed it, saying, yaar, शायद थोड़ा महंगा है, इससे बात करते हैं, उससे बात करते हैं. We kept delaying things, and वो property बिक गया, and today it's huge. So we run into financial problems. Unhealthy diet choices, right? So many people talked about walking here or exercising or losing weight, right? So procrastination can lead to unhealthy diet choices. Now, each one of you answer this question. How many of you promised yourself that you're going to stop eating sweets from tomorrow? Please raise your hand. Please say yes. Please say yes in the chat box. Say, कल से मिठाई खाना छोड़ दूंगा, कल से. हाँ, कितने लोगों ने बोला? सच में बताना, Please be truthful. अगर आप participate करोगे 100%, you will win a lot out of this session. You will become an action taker. See, Ata Shari says, Richu says me after Holi, Gaurav Jain. Yes, absolutely. We do say that. I want to promise, but I know I won't be able to make it. So yes, we will understand what is the psychology behind it, why we promise things to ourselves and why we don't do it. Thank you so much. Yeah, I mean, you have been amazing people, each one of you. So, usse kya hota hai? Health issues. It can lead to health issues, right? Ladies and gentlemen, one thing which I have learned in my life, I have seen deaths in my family. My father passed away, my aunts passed away. I have seen. Ek baat hai. People will never value their health unless and until they lose it. Type yes or agree in the chat box. If you agree to this, type agree in the chat box that people will not value their health unless and until they lose it. Yes? Matlab ek baar, I tell you, all the people that you see walking in the morning, almost 60% or 65% have been admitted into intensive care unit at least once. That's why they start walking. Usse pehle they will not do it. Yeah, absolutely, Deepak. Yeah, it's true for other aspects too, right? So health issues and relationships issues. The relationships issues is about, it can lead to relationship issues as well, ladies and gentlemen. See, you know that you made that mistake. You know that you shouted on your spouse, or you know that you shouted on your mother or a father or your colleague, but you never went back and told SORRY. You never said sorry. You wanted to. You wanted to think of that situation, think of that person whom you hurt. But you never went back to tell them sorry, that it's a mistake and you will never do it again. Type I in the chat box, capital I, if you are that person, that you didn't go back to say sorry to that person. Type I in the chat box. Be honest. Be honest in your communication. Thank you so much, Dr. Gurpreet. Thank you, Gaurav Jain. Thank you so much. Yes, we spoil our relationship issues by delaying things, just by not saying sorry or not apologizing to that person whom we have not treated properly. Can you please repeat the question? Okay. It's about, have you actually went and told sorry to a person whom you have actually treated badly? Whether it is your spouse, your children, your parents, your colleague, somebody at the tea stall, somebody in the restaurant, somebody who was serving you. Probably आप किसी अलग mood में होंगे, but you did something wrong which was not supposed to be done. Did you go back and did you say sorry? I'm sure we wouldn't. Most of us won't. Because of that, there are relationship issues, guys. And the other thing is bad decisions. Procrastination can lead to very bad decisions in life, right? Now, these are some extras. I actually reached out on this concept and to my friends and asked, what are the things? I know it can lead to a lot of bad things, health issues, and all this. But what are the extras? What are 1 + 1 free? Aapko procrastination, these are some extras that you're going to get, ladies and gentlemen. slow growth or no growth. Let's say if you're working in an organization, either there is no growth or the growth is very slow, and the quality of your work drastically goes down because you're not putting in efforts to learn new things, or you are not going and asking feedback. You are just delaying it, right? No result or low result, things get piled up. Yeah, this is my favorite. How many of you कितने लोगों के साथ ये हुआ है कि you wanted to do this and you kept things piling up and piling up and piling up. To-do list बस बढ़ता ही गया. There is no crossing off. To-do list just kept increasing and you never did anything about it. Yep, absolutely, people. Yeah, and that's how things get piled up and we get overwhelmed. We get overwhelmed with, yaar, कल तो 5 थे, आज I have 10 things to do, tomorrow 15, day after tomorrow 20 things, and we just kept postponing it. And how many of you agree that it affects your credibility, it affects your business, it affects your personal brand? Now let's talk in case of Author Sherry or me as a speaker, as a trainer. Let's say I promised Author Sherry and your community that I'm going to show up at 8 o'clock, and let's say I came at 8:10 today. Let's say I came at 8:10. What would be your impression, ladies and gentlemen? Can I just come and give you excuse? Yeah, my family was going through some issues. I had to take care of my children. I had to take care of. No, I have to be there, right? So if it affects credibility, and the credibility is one of the most important assets when it comes to in this 21st century, when we are living in the social media world, and cost increases. राइट, कॉस्ट इंक्रीजेस. आपने सही टाइम पे आपने डिसीजन नहीं लिया और उसका प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस बढ़ गया. कितने लोगों के साथ हुआ बताइए? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांटेड टू बाय लेट्स से अ फोन or something from Amazon or in the market, and you just delayed it for a week or 1 month and the price got increased. यार 5,000 था यार एक हफ्ते पहले 10,000 हो गया, right? It happens unnecessarily because you did not take the decision on time. The cost increases, right? And another most important thing is, Richu says it happened with me yesterday only. Yeah, Richu, I know, I absolutely understand. Kera, yes, phone cover. Kera says she wanted to buy a phone cover, but she delayed it, right? So self-image reduces. Yeah, apne mein, what is self-image? Self-image is how you feel about yourself, right? Author Sherry was mentioning in his chat, like in frustration, anger aa jata hai na, khud pe aata hai, that you're not able to do it. You want to do it, but you're not able to do it. But self-image reduce ho jata hai, right? Stress and irritation, guilt feeling, just guilt feeling. I missed that opportunity. I should have replied to that email on the same day. Why didn't I? And you lost the opportunity. There was this call for speakers for Professional Speakers Association of South Africa, and Charlotte was reaching out to me on a private window, and she was telling me, Kumar, why don't you take it to Professional Speakers Association of India, because you have so many speakers. I immediately took it, mailed it, sent it to Vice President membership, and the mail has been sent, and PSAI, Professional Speakers Association of India, people have nominated themselves, right? Imagine if I would have delayed with 3-4 days. The last date was January 31st, right? So there's so many things which you're going to lose if you delay things. And we'll understand why we procrastinate, right? Reduces self-image, self-confidence, and the most important thing is customer dissatisfaction. If your customer is unhappy with you, they're going to never ever come back to you to buy your product or service. Type yes or agree in the chat box. कितने बार आपके साथ हुआ होगा? Forget about your customer. Let's say you called your mobile service. It could be Airtel, Vodafone, whatever it is, and they did not resolve your issue. They kept transferring you here and there. Didn't you feel like, yaar, God damn with this Airtel, let me go to Vodafone? Or if it is Vodafone, God damn with Vodafone, let me go to Airtel. कितने लोगों के साथ हुआ? And not just phone connection, it could be your TV connections, it could be anything, right? If they do not resolve your issues on time. Kara says, yes, Airtel service, slow service from the organization. Absolutely, Shraddha, because they're delaying it. They're not resolving your issue based on the timelines, right? if issues are not being resolved, whether it is your television, let's say your parents are watching their favorite serial and they cannot live without watching it, and the TV is just gone. You just have to call and it has to get resolved, right? Or else you'll be a dissatisfied customer. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are some extras. So now we have seen what is procrastination, and we have seen the definition, what kind of people procrastinate, and you have shared some reasons, and it can lead to, you have seen it, right? Now, let's come to what are the 8 reasons? What are the 8 reasons that you fell in love with procrastination? Why do you delay things, right? Let's understand. Are you enjoying this session? Type yes in the chat box if you are enjoying this session, if you're liking it. I bet nobody wants to miss this session, no matter what, even earthquake comes. Author Shari says, absolutely. Shraddha, yes. Thank you so much, guys. I'm loving it. I am also loving it, Gaurav, because as Author Shari said, I'm a giver and I love to give. I want each one of you to become action takers, right? Now, this is the most important section which I'm going to take you through. So ensure that there is no noise and just listen and participate and answer my questions. 8 reasons that you fell in love with procrastination. Number one, type ready in the chat box. I want type ready in the chat box. If you're ready to understand what are the reasons. Yeah, people says laziness, carelessness, and all that. Type ready in the chat box. Harish says ready. Bharat says bio. Okay. Please participate. You promised me that you're going to participate. You're going to type in the chat box. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. So let's understand. The first reason, it is not in any priority. It's not in any order as such, but this is what I have learned, because before becoming a professional speaker, I was a professional procrastinator too, because I am a human being too, right? So let's understand the first reason. You are a perfectionist, ladies and gentlemen. मतलब सारे चीजें जब ready होंगे ना तभी करूँगा. You want everything to be ready. ये भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए. Everything is ready. That's when you will start. Somebody says they want to make videos, short film. मेरे पास कैमरा चाहिए, 1 लाख का कैमरा होना चाहिए, पूरा lighting, studio. I want my own studio. That's when you will start. You are a perfectionist. Now, this is one of the reasons. Perfectionist is a disease. Ladies and gentlemen, perfectionist कोई नहीं होता है क्या? आमिर खान भी perfectionist नहीं है. Remove perfectionist from your dictionary and put progress. कल से आज मैं अच्छा हूँ क्या? ये महीने से next month. That's how you need to compare with your own performance. Now, let's understand. क्यों perfectionist क्यों बनना चाहते हो? Because you have a fear of making mistake. Yes, you have a fear. अरे यार गलती कर दूं तो क्या होगा गलती कर दूं तो? Fixed, and there is another thing called fixed mindset versus growth mindset. Let me give you a very brief explanation about this thing. Fixed mindset are those people who think everything is limited. दुनिया में सब कुछ कम है, and I will not get my share. These are like fixed mindsets. Universe is very small. I might not get my share. Let me tell you, universe is abundant. Money is abundant. Health is abundant. Right? Universe is going to never say that because he is black, I'm going to give him less oxygen. Because he is white, I'm going to give him more oxygen. No. Get out of that mindset, ladies and gentlemen. जब आप सोचते हो कि मुझे शायद इतना ही मिलेगा, believe me, आपको उतना ही मिलेगा. Right? जब आप सोचोगे मुझे बहुत कुछ मिलेगा, आपको बहुत कुछ मिलेगा. That's a growth mindset. Growth mindset लोग क्या सोचते हैं? They think everything is abundant in life. Everything. The relationship, the friendships, health, money, everything is abundant. And you should be ready to come and grab that, right? And let me tell you of fear of making mistakes. अभी तक जितने लोगों ने भी कहा था that you feel for what you did not do, right? I asked you one question. Somebody said walking, somebody said video making, somebody said motivation video and all. क्या हो जाएगा? It's a mistake, right? It's a miss in the take. Take another take. Take 1, take 2, take 3. Do you think Amir Khan is perfect in first shot? 50, 100 shot लग जाते हैं, right? Do you agree, guys? Type yes in the chat box. Type yes in the chat box. It's a miss in the take. Take another take. टेक 1, टेक 2, टेक 3, टेक 4, इतने टेक्स लो कि जब तक आप खुश ना हो आपके परफॉर्मेंस से, राइट? मिस्टेक इज नॉट अ मिस्टेक, इज जस्ट अ मिस इन द टेक। और जब तक आप गलती नहीं करोगे आप नहीं सीखोगे। If you are waiting to be perfectionist, let me tell you, you're going to go to the graveyard like those people who never did anything. Please don't do that. You will make mistakes. Yes, act it gracefully. That's absolutely fine. That's absolutely fine. And let me tell you, all the great people that you see, all the great people that we talk about, we talk about their quotations, we talk about their performances, जो भी हैं, उन्होंने इतने गलतियां की कि दूसरे लोगों ने ट्राई भी नहीं किया। They have made enough mistakes, so many mistakes that you and I didn't even try, right? And we're just sitting and want everything to be perfect. Don't do that. Absolutely, Smita. I mean, you don't want to die without living your dreams. Good one. Yeah, mistake. Super. Thank you so much that you liked the miss in the take. So just go for it, ladies and gentlemen. Just go for it. जो भी आपको करना है, बस आप शुरू कर दो। गलतियां होंगी. I'm telling you, you will not be perfect in the first time. किसी ने, no, somebody was talking about making videos. You will not be perfect. Your first video will be pathetic. Second one, horrible. Third one, dirty. 10th one, 20th one, 100th video, it will be amazing. It will be amazing. So fear that will never achieve the high self standard. अपने आप को ना high self standard लगा देते हैं हम। मैं टोनी रॉबिन्स बनूंगा, मुझे वो बनना है। यार शुरू तो करना चाहिए। You know, if you have to cover the distance, let's say if you have to come from Hyderabad to Delhi, I have to start doing something. I have to put my first step, right? So please, there is no perfection. It's only progress, right? So how many of you, we need validation. That's why we fail to take actions. Absolutely, Smita. You're amazing. You're amazing. I love your answers. True. Keep yourself going. Ishpreet says it will be perfectly amazing. Super Suresh. Thanks for motivating. Yes. Now, second most important reason that you fell in love with procrastination. You fear the unknown. पता नहीं यार क्या होगा, पता नहीं क्या होगा. You fear. You know, पहले ही वो डर बैठ जाता है, right? And it's so terrible, right? I mean, you did not even start doing it, and you're fearing it. Action takers have growth mindset because they're ready to make mistakes. They're ready to make mistakes. That's why people become successful. And they move to next step. ठीक है, okay भाई गलती हो गया. Then they move to next step. Fear of unknown, right? This is an amazing reason of procrastination, guys. And you have to listen to this. You have to listen to this. People are afraid it may reveal truth that they don't want to hear. अरे यार अगर मैं ये काम करना शुरू करूंगा, if I start doing it, what if people got to know that I failed or I'm not good at it? Let's say whether it is public speaking, in this case for this community. What if I stand and start talking and people start laughing? हंसेंगे. Let them laugh. Enjoy it. That's absolutely fine. I still remember my first day when I was standing in front of public. It was like 10 years ago. My hands and legs were shivering and I was sweating to talk for 1 minute about my own introduction. That my name is Kumar, I do this, I do this. My legs were shivering, my feet were shivering. And last year I spoke in front of 2,000 people from 40 countries at the World HRD Congress in Mumbai. They invited me to speak. So it's not to impress upon you, but to impress on you that do not worry about the truth getting revealed. You know, when people cross this 35s and 40s, they don't want to go for this body checkup, blood checkup. कहाँ यार पता चल गया शुगर है, डायबिटीज आ गया, तो क्या करूँगा? You know, क्या करूँगा? You know, suddenly some says, well, my kidney is functioning a little less, so they don't even go for annual checkups, right? Or a mole मिल गया, or cancer आ गया, dental cavity आ गया. They don't take action. You know, people are afraid that it may reveal something which they don't want to hear, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to share these amazing questions. You might want to make a note of this, or probably Shari might want to share the recording later with you, but I suggest make a note of it. Whenever, कभी भी जिंदगी में आपको डर लगता है किसी काम को करने में, if there is a fear of unknown in your heart and mind, ask these 7 questions. 7 questions. Number 1, what am I afraid of? किस बात से डर रहा हूं मैं? What am I really afraid of? What's going to happen? Number 2, what worst possible can happen? What is the worst thing which is going to happen? People might not like your video on social media. That's it, right? Or people might come and say, "Hey, yaar, kya bakwas video banaya tune?" That's fine. What is number 3? What could happen if I ignore it? What would happen, ladies and gentlemen, if you stop ignoring to take care of your health? If you never go for walking, if you never go for that, what you really like to do, playing sports or playing guitar or whatever it is, whatever that is you want to do, what could happen if I ignore it? Number 4, am I trying to protect myself from a certain outcome? Ask this question. क्या मैं अपने आप को कुछ चीजों से बचना चाह रहा हूं? What is that? Number 5, am I trying to convince myself of something which is not true? Right? You're going to ask these questions whenever there is fear of unknown. And number 6, why am I putting this off? Why am I putting this off? कल सुबह से उठ के वॉकिंग जाना मैं क्यों नहीं कर रहा हूं? Why am I not focusing on losing weight? Why am I not focusing on stop eating sugar and sweets? Why? Why am I putting this off? You wanted that, right? And number 7, amazing. I love this question. Is there any benefit in putting this off? कुछ फायदा होगा आपको? Is there any real benefit that that you want, that you're getting by putting this off? These are the 7 most important questions, guys, whenever you have this fear of unknown, right? Yeah, Smita says, kindly place this question in the group. I missed 2-3 questions. Absolutely. No, it will be shared. Don't worry. What am I afraid of? What worst possible can happen? What would happen if I ignore it? Am I trying to protect myself? Am I trying to convince myself? Why I am putting this? And my favorite question, is there any benefit? Is there any benefit by putting this off? No, then do it, right? All right. So these are the 7 questions of fear of unknown, right? I might not be able to share all the things, but yes, I'm sharing some important things on why you fell in love with procrastination. Number 3, you promised to do it later. Kal karunga, agle mahine karunga. January 1st, 2021, I will start taking care of my health, and all the promises are broken in first 1 week, right? You promise to do it later. I'll just switch off my camera for some time. You promise to do it later. Now, in this, we have something called hot and cold empathy. Let me explain you what is that. Let's say when you're really angry, when you're really very angry on somebody or on something, on someone, your mind will not allow you to be calm, calm, composed. वो meditation state में नहीं रहोगे आप, whenever you are really angry on something. In the same way, when you're really happy, joyful, enjoying with your family, friends, you're doing what you love, you're dancing to the music and all, your mind will never allow you to be angry. Understand, this is how it works. And let me give you an example. Let's say when you go to the doctor with an address saying, let's say you have some dental pain, and he's going to talk about your brain, and you will not be interested whether he's talking about his life, how is he growing his practice, or uske hospital mein kya chal raha hai. You're not interested. You're interested only in the solution. So the interesting fact, this is very amazing, guys. Okay, listen to this very carefully. Very important point. Future you versus present you. There is an interesting fight which is happening between. Let me just quickly make it white. Okay. Okay, there is an interesting fight happening between your present you and your future you. All the promises that you're making are by your present you. Matlab kya? I want to lose weight. I want to look good. I want to be healthy. I want to learn this language. I want to, whatever you want to do, you know, that you promised yourself and you have been procrastinating. All your promises are made by your present you for the future you. समझिए इसको बहुत carefully समझिए. What is this future you versus present you? Because your present you is telling to the future you, you know that you have to go for walking. You know that you have to exercise to stay healthy. But current self is not ready to accept that. Your current self, which is your present you, is not ready to accept that. You know वो क्या बोलता है? You know, I'll tell you in Hindi. यार एक ही रसगुल्ला ना, एक ही गुलाब जामुन खाऊंगा ना आज, कल से करूंगा. Just once, only today. Right? So there is a constant fight between your present and future you. Future you know that the kind of food is unhealthy. You know, future you knows that eating so much of sweets, junk food, eating all that nonsense things is bad for you. Future you को पता है, लेकिन the current self is only for today, not tomorrow. Current self is only for today. It is not for tomorrow. And your present you is promising to the future you कि मैं बाद में करूँगा. So that's why there is a fight. There is a constant fight between yourself, in yourself. Because future you is logical and current you is emotional. I'll give you an example. I repeat myself, future you is logical and current you is emotional. That means when you want to purchase something in your life, which you liked, अगर Amazon से खरीदो या कहीं बाहर दुकान से या mall से whatever, you will find that all your purchases is based on your emotions. Type right in the chat box. Type RIGHT in the chat box. जो भी चीजें आपने आपकी जिंदगी में खरीदे, it is based on your emotions and you tried to apply logic to it. You applied logic later. लेकिन emotion से आप खरीदे आप वो चीज, whether it is a phone, car, gadget, house, whatever it is. Right? So future you knows that you have to save money. We all know that we have to save money for our future. But current you and present you always is more emotional. It takes emotional decisions, right? Current or the present you, whatever you call it, always promises and cheats the future you that you will do it later. Getting it? That's why there is a constant fight. That's why you keep saying, I will do it later. You promise to yourself that you will do it later. Now, I'll only share 4. Fourth one, you focus on easy tasks. How many of you do that? Box, capital I. You focus on the easy task. और आपको क्या लगता है पता है? You think that you have completed something today. Type I in the chat box. You focus on the easy tasks, right? What is that? More time and effort it takes to do a task, the harder it is to get started. If the task, whatever you have chosen to do, if it takes more time and effort, which means it is harder to get started. Or lack of prioritization. Many people are suffering from bad health because they don't prioritize their health over other things. I have seen millionaires who cannot get up from their chair. They need some support from other people. Now, what is the use of money, ladies and gentlemen? You tell me. Why people are not prioritizing their health. And I'm just talking in the terms of health here, but there are many prioritizations that you can do in your life and you're the best decision maker. Short-term rewards, right? Or it could be short-term rewards of emotional brain versus long-term logical brain. Iska matlab kya hai? Because the present you is always focused on the short-term rewards. Short-term rewards matlab, because it is an emotional brain, right? Instant gratification बोलते हैं English में. You want everything, instant gratification चाहिए. मतलब आपने कुछ अच्छा काम किया, somebody should immediately come and pat on your back. Or saying, fantastic, you are awesome, you are doing this. But when we don't get this, we don't put in that effort, right? So we want instant gratification. Whereas the long-term logical brain is your true self. Yeah, you're right, Garo. Dopamine high, absolutely. Oh, what did I do? Okay. Now, short-term gains, right? So that's how it is. Now, let me share the fifth one as well. Is it okay if we cross a time for 10 more minutes? I know it's just for 1 hour. Deepak, can you give me a heads up saying, if I might cross 10 more minutes? Are you really enjoying, guys? Type enjoy in the chat box if you're really something learning valuable today. Type value. I would like to type value or enjoying. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Pooja. Thank you for giving me that energy, because I get energy from participants, right? Thank you so much. And let's move then. You experience lack of motivation is the fifth reason, guys, right? What is that? Living around negative people or negative environment. I always tell in my talks, ladies and gentlemen, that you are the average of 5 people that you spend your time with, right? If the people around you are not motivating you, not encouraging you, not supporting you, forget about helping you monetarily. But अगर बातों से भी उनके अच्छा नहीं निकलता आपके बारे में, I think those are not the right people to be around, right? Those are not the right people to be around. If you want to exercise, be with people who exercise regularly. If you want to be healthy, be with people who are health conscious. And task is not connected to your interest, goals, or values. This is one of the things why you procrastinate, guys. This is one of the most important thing. The task itself is not connected to your interest. Interest नहीं है आपको वो काम करने में, तो आप क्यों करोगे? Or it is not your goal, or it is not your value system. एक value system होता है, right? So that is not your part of your value system. Now, I want each one of you to share that one interest area you're procrastinating now. What is that one really interest area that you want to pursue, which you have been procrastinating? Tell me in the chat box. Chat box में लिखिए वो एक चीज क्या है जो आपका इंटरेस्ट एरिया है. Interest area. When I say interest area, it could be learning music. It could be learning a new language. Wake up early, right? What is your interest area? Please type in. I want you to share. I want you to actually type and let me know what is that interest area. Meditation. Absolutely, Gaurav. Thank you so much. Harish says morning walk. What else? I want to see answers. I want you to type become a millionaire. Thanks, Nelson. Yes. Exercise, says author Sherry. Routine, absolutely. Morning rituals. Oh my God, Pooja, you have hit bullseye. Yes, morning rituals are so very important, right? But what do? We hold this gadget as soon as we get a WhatsApp आया, email आया, Facebook में किसने like किया. No, because the work we don't want to do is not connected to our interests, goals, or values, or what else? Morning rituals, right? So thanks for sharing. Now let me come back to the reasons of procrastination, to why do we procrastinate? Okay, this is a very interesting equation. There is a book itself called Procrastination Equation. अगर आपको ये equation समझ में आ गया ना, यह पूरा session आपको समझ में आएगा, and you will actually start becoming an action taker, and you will fulfill all your dreams. Listen to this very carefully. I'll just go offline, the video, so that I am explaining it to you in much more clearer way. Okay. Expectance multiplied by value divided by impulsiveness multiplied by. Now you might be thinking, what is this? I mean, Kumar is talking Greek and Latin, right? So I have broke down this to a very, very simpler way to explain you what is each one of them stands for, right? If you put all your experiences, आपके सब लोगों के experiences into these 4 topics: expectancy, value, impulsiveness, delay, right? You will find out why we procrastinate, why we delay things, why we postpone things, why we don't take action. That's why this equation is so very powerful, so very powerful. Now, what is expectancy? Do you expect a great outcome? Listen to this very carefully. This session is all about this formula. This session, 1 hour, whatever you're sitting here, spending your time, is about this formula. Do you expect a great outcome with whatever you want to do? Are you confident in your abilities to create whatever it is you aspire to create? If expectancy is high, you are much less likely to procrastinate than if it is low. Am I making sense? Type yes in the chat box. अगर आपको expectancy समझ में आ गया, type yes in the chat box. Do you expect a great outcome? Okay, this is a very simple English. Do you expect a great outcome? Are you confident in your abilities to create whatever it is you aspire to create? If expectancy is high, you are much less likely to procrastinate. पता है क्यों? Because you have a very strong emotional connect to this expectancy. You are emotionally connected. Let me tell you my public speaking example very quickly. People laughed at me. I was very shy person. I was scared. Forget about public speaking. And I was scared to talk in front of one to one, because people were talking good English. They were confident. They dressed well and all. Now, I had a very strong emotional connect towards this public speaking or becoming professional in speaking, which has brought me or which has made me work towards it. समझ रहे हो ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? You have to have really very emotional connect वो expectancy में. Now let's understand what is value. Now value is nothing but in simple sentence, one sentence I'm telling you, you must have meaning and purpose. What is the meaning and purpose? Do you value whatever it is you're working on? सच में value करते हो क्या? जो आप करना चाहते हो? Do you really value your body? Do you value your health? Because we are talking a lot about health examples. So I want to take the same thing. Do you value your body? Do you value your family? Your spouse? Your parents who are dependent on you because you're the bread earner? Is it not responsibility to take care of your health, ladies and gentlemen? People have small children, people have parents to take care, spouse. If your health gets affected, God forbid, something happens, who's responsible? Do you really value whatever you're working on? If it has a great deal of meaning for you, sure, Deepak, we will conclude. Just after this formula, we'll conclude. Now, our tendency want immediate about it. Impulsiveness, ये होता है कि your tendency is to have immediate results, but only if you want to lose weight. Of course, it will take time. It will not happen in a day or 2 or 1 week. Now, essentially, this measures how far into the future our project needs to be completed, right? How longer it is going to take. The longer the delay, the greater the likelihood of procrastination. Are you able to understand? Right? The longer the delay, the greater the likelihood of procrastination. And of course, the shorter the delay, the less likely, right? So the formula is expectance multiplied by value divided by impulsiveness into delay, which means if the numerator is always higher than the denominator, that means आपका expectancy or value हमेशा अगर high रहेगा, we will always take action. We will always take action. We will not procrastinate. Numerator, expectancy value अगर बहुत high है तो, if the denominator is high, denominator, that impulsiveness and delay, if that is high, we will always procrastinate. We will never start anything. We will never start doing anything. We will never start taking any actions. Right? So, how many of you really like this formula? Type I in the chat box. Type I in the chat box. And I'm sure you understood the definition of each and every word in this formula, which is expectancy, value, impulsiveness, and delay. And it's 9 o'clock. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope this session has given you some value and you understood why you are procrastinating and what are the bad effects, what are the negative effects of procrastination, right? And so many things that we have learned in this 1 hour, right? So thank you so much, Author Shari, Deepak, and thanks to this amazing community for inviting me here. Thank you so much. So I would love to listen from you and understand what you felt. And today, in front of Author Shari, this community is going to promise that you will take action on something after this session. आप जो भी करना चाहते हो, it could be that morning walk, stop eating junk food, or spending more time with your loved ones, your children. It could be anything, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to promise, not to me, not to Author Shari, promise to yourself. Promise to yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kumar. It was a wonderful session. And I would say what I have learned from this is work like a pro, avoid procrastination. Things will only happen when you will take action.
And just type in one point, questions or one point each on what you really liked, in the chat box, whatever you want to share.
Yeah, so Kumar, that was a fantastic session. Thank you for your powerful session and amazing energy. I have no words to say on the energy part. Amazing. Content was super awesome. And we have created a small format, Kumar, just to make sure that everybody will respond with a lot of learnings. In fact, we have shortlisted like this, top 3 learnings from the session. Then what do you like about the trainer and the content? And then, of course, about one question to PSI community. So this question replies will come on the group. And I promise you all these screenshots will be shared to you so that you will also feel that dopamine of praises that how many people have you inspired today. And you never know who will start taking action from tomorrow. And that transformation credit will go to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And Harish is asking, I'm located in Hyderabad, Harish. I'm from Hyderabad. I live in Hyderabad.
Well, I would like to add on here what Author Shari has said. First of all, thank you so much, Kumar Chanda ji. This is amazing session because I've been, listening to so many various speakers and trainers all around the world for over a decade now. And after such a long time, you are one of the amazing speakers who know how to connect with audience. In fact, me and Shari bhai was speaking this is like, wow. So I feel so blessed and the chosen one that, and kudos to Shari bhai, to create this wonderful platform of PSI, jahan par, we are getting a chance to listen to you. I mean, this time if I would have missed it, I would have missed, some very, very big thing. And you were very right in the starting that even if you, get a single sentence, it's like a paradigm shift in your life. So I was able to correlate so many places. And in fact, Shari bhai, I think we would love to have him again sometime very, very soon, because this seems like a trailer. And wow, I mean, I'm really got out of words. And I'm sure so many other people as well wanted to share some feedback. But before we go forward to next, participant, I want to make an announcement here. That friends, we are coming up with the NPSC National Public Speaking Championship 2021 in the month of March, 13th March at Gurgaon. So whosoever, it's an offline event, a virtual event, it's happening in Gurgaon, and whosoever want to, come up as a speaker, there's a great, amazing opportunity. And I witnessed this opportunity last year as well, got some amazing insights. So don't miss this event, and we'll be sharing the details of the PSI group, and I'm loving it. Thank you so much. Over to Sherry bhai.
Well, thank you, Gaurav. Nothing much to say. I think everybody will agree to this point. We are like short of time. In fact, if anybody has any particular question, you can definitely ask Kumar, or else I would request Deepak to let's start with the felicitation process.
Yeah.
Over to you.
Request Dr. Sherry sir to do the honors, as PSI community would like to felicitate with a token of appreciation to Mr. Kumar. So please.
So Kumar sir, we cannot give you much anything in what you have given us here, but all we have is lots of praises, lots of appreciation, and please accept with heartfelt gratitude this digital certificate for you. And thank you. May I request all the participants to unmute and clap for Kumar Ajanta sir once. Everybody, please. Thank you for your wonderful session. It was really amazing.
Thank you so much. Sherry, can they connect with me on social media somewhere, because I
Yes,
release.
yes. So please drop your social media handles here in the group. Also, if you want to say anything related to your work, please go ahead. We give that opportunity. Yeah.
Okay. So I work with individuals and organizations to move people into action for more profits and performance, ladies and gentlemen. So I coach people one-to-one as well. They might have, they might want to achieve certain goals in life, right? So I coach them one-to-one as well, which is one of the most powerful coaching formats, which I believe, because I know people were telling me, Garoji was telling me that he has been attending trainings last 10 years, heard a lot of speakers and all. हम सुनते हैं, we go and attend these sessions, we listen, आपको अच्छा लगता है, but आपको बदलने में एक कोच ही मदद कर सकता है, and author Sherry will 100% agree with me, right? एक कोच ही आपको हैंड होल्ड करके आपको आपके मंजिल तक ले जाने वाला सिर्फ कोच ही है, so feel good factor is something different and achieving is something different. So I coach people one-to-one to take actions towards their dreams. And yes, that's about me. And I think Deepak gonna share my social media handles in whichever WhatsApp group that you have, so that you can connect me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and all that. Thank you. Thanks, Jerry.
So, sir, that will be taken care. Yeah. Thank you. It was a wonderful learning from you, sir. And we look forward to have you soon back with us once again.
Nice.
So with this, we conclude.
Amazing session. Loved it. Thank you, Sherry bhai. Thank you, Deepak ji, for a fantastic hosting you have done.
So kind of you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Loving it. Yeah.
Thanks everyone for joining. Great job,
Thank you,
Deepak.
everyone. See you soon.
Have a
Next
great-
Thursday, another speaker, another trainer, and another amazing things.
Good night, everyone.
Stay tuned.
Have a good
Bye-bye.
night, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Good night, Kumar. Thank you for coming. Good night,
Have a
everyone.
lovely evening
Yes, sir. Good night.
and get back to action tomorrow morning.
Salam.